the solo section in Infinite Regression, I have 4 chords. The first one is very much based around D major. And the notes that I have suggested fit D major. There's the major 7. The second chord, slightly more minorish, I've put in a C natural there. The next chord, I put in a G sharp. And the final one, I've left out the C. So I just put some notes that I knew would sound quite good. If you actually look what the harmony is, in the first bar we've got a D major 7 chord. But we're not probably going to hear that unless we play it in the melody. That's from the tune. So there's nothing given away in the tune to say what type of chord it is, but it's definitely going to have a major 7 in that. Next one in the tune goes. So I kind of used that idea for my next chord. So it's got D and B flat. It's kind of like a G minor chord in second version, and it's in the tune it actually had an F sharp. So it could be like an augmented chord as well. The next one from the tune. So that's very much a dominant 7th type chord in last inversion. There we go. So I've used the 3rd of E, that's G sharp, B, C sharp, which is the 13th, or the 6th, and the 7th. And then the final chord, which is from the tune. But I decided not to use that because I wanted to make a cycle of it, so I actually decided to use this chord. So to a G type chord, that would be in second inversion, root position, first inversion, second inversion. So the common note in all these chords is the bottom note, which is a D, so everything is from there. That's the harmony. Okay, we've got the notes in the right hand. So making up a melody, there's quite a lot of stuff to take on board there, and just the choice of notes is probably interesting enough without having to worry too much about very, very complicated rhythms. So I'm going to just do an improvisation with very, what I call simple rhythms, maybe crotchets, quavers. See how that sounds. So that was perfectly interesting and acceptable. Now I might put in a few more syncopations, so draw attention to the offbeats and make it sound a little bit more jazzy, but it's still going to be fairly, it's not going to be very, very rhythmic. Some ideas for the solo section.